4, 3.
Hello, YouTubing. This video is gonna be fun. Finally got the floor up on this side. I'm excited about that. I found the old parts of the bar that I'm gonna probably use as like a big workbench. There's a curb of concrete that comes off about 20 inches. And the bar is about the same height, or width. So I'm gonna just probably continue a workbench, but I'm still trying to get where I want all my tools and whatnot in here. Over here, I'm just throwing all of the crap lumber, all the water soaked stuff, and kind of just making a pile of all the garbage over there. I'm gonna call in a dumpster, or 20 of them probably. And then we'll get rid of all the garbage. And today, I'm gonna try and get rid of this guy. I'm gonna take down this little bit of an awning here, and then figure out what I want to do with these bowling lane pieces. It's kind of cool where all the pins set up. There's still little markings on them, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. There's some cool pieces that are the lane separators that, again, who knows what we're gonna do. But at least this part is all the lumber's gone. I'm gonna bring one of the snow shovels over and get most of this crap out of here, but let's see what happens with this. The ceiling is only really held up by 2x6s going in between these I-beams that run this way. So, in this video it could be funny because when I start taking this thing down, some of this might come down, and then if it all comes down, that's where the computer and my phone is, so I'm more worried about that than stuff falling on my head. Hard-headed. That's why I took on this project. Am I right? So let's see what happens here. Watch this time lapse, and hopefully it's not the last one. Like I don't know. If you're watching this, I didn't die, or somebody put it up. I don't know. Maybe just we'll see how this thing goes. So, it was built a little bit different than I thought it was going to be. So now I know. Sometimes you have to dissect to be able to bring it on down. So, I'm going to do this now in smaller sections because that one was heavy. Really heavy. I'm going to take this dude down, and then we'll probably just do like every 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-ish squares-ish, and just start knocking those down. You can see each, well, I guess the false ceiling joists that are up there. There's a 2x4 nailed to each one of them that will span this whole way. And then the 2x4s reach above each one of these pillars is another ginormous steel beam. And that's where they bolt to, nail to. So we're gonna just keep cutting on down and get this thing down. See what else we can get into today. Power's looking good, waiting for an inspection. And I've had 2 electricians that I think they saw this one. No, You, sir. Blank you. Some people just don't have the imagination like I got.
You're crazy. You're crazy, man. You're crazy. I like you, but you're crazy.
See, this is this beautiful thing. You just wait. We're May showers right now, which you can hear. That's the ceiling still leaking a bit. Once the better weather gets here, I'll mastic the roof and fix all those things and then pull in all that crap. I'm gonna probably hire some laborers to get rid of all this trash and we'll fill up a couple dumpsters. Yeah. So we're just gonna time lapse this dude coming on down. I know you people love those, so let's check it out. What a world, what a world, what a world. All right, I'm gonna drink a little bit of beer. I know what you're thinking. Did that scare the shit out of you when that fell? A little bit, but how cool did it stay standing up? Let's see if we can do all the rest of them like that. They're a lot heavier than I thought. But you know what? We only live once and gotta have the best damn time we can doing it. So let's get the rest of this down. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this was the wrap up of today. We got this whole piece down. I was able to see up inside of this area for a whole bunch of madness or radness that's going to come down. It's freezing in here, just so you know. It's like, I think it was 30 degrees, the barometer said. Hopefully this week I'm going to start tearing a bunch of this down. I think I'm going to have to tear about 90% of these tiles down to kind of see what it is that I'm going into. I found some power switches over there that might power these lights, which would be cool. I'm totally keeping these guys in. Those are cool. You can see the other water damage is back there. Once the rain stops, I will go up on the roof and I'll fix that. And I'll show you guys some mastic repair. Listen. That's why I need to repair the roof. We're still getting rain a lot, so this is why I'm doing so much inside before I take care of all that. But there's so much of this that needs to be torn apart and ripped apart, and then I'm going to get all this thrown away. I'm going to do a computer layout where I can kind of see where I want my tools and where everything will lie. But until next time, ladies and gents, cheers! There you go. Cheers, kids. Subscribe!